guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well right now during quarantine. I'm gonna be talking about Olaplex. I know that I promote it a lot on my social media. This is one of the products that I use on myself, and it's also a product that I highly recommend for my clients. So I just want to talk about it really quick. So I'm going to be giving you guys a brief explanation of what these products do, and I'm only going to be doing number 3 to 7 because these are the products that you guys can purchase and use at home. But I'll give you guys a little explanation about what number 1 and number 2 do to the hair. So number 1 and number 2 are salon used only. These are not for purchase. Alright guys, I have some notes right here just to help me out. So number 1, it is a bond multiplier. So I like to kind of like explain this as like a primer. You guys, I do recommend it. It's most of the time it will be an add-on service to the hair service that you're paying for, because it is an additional thing. It doesn't just come with the service. Like I said, this is just an additional thing that you can purchase, and it's pretty much a liquid. Looks similar like this one, and we add that to the bleach, and when we apply the bleach on your hair, it protects your hair. So that's what I'm saying, it's kind of like a primer. It does rebuild all the broken disulfide bonds. So when we are putting bleach on your hair, we're breaking all of those bonds, and with Olaplex it helps rebuild those disulfide bonds. So that's pretty much what number 1 is. So number 2 is the bond perfector, which is applied at the bowl once the service is pretty much almost done and we're getting ready to toning. So it's applied at the bowl, it's left on the hair for 10 to 20 minutes, and then we rinse it off and we finish our service, and then that's when we get to pretty much use the rest of the line. So number 2 and number 3 are very similar. So let's talk about number 3, because these are the ones that you guys are really gonna want to learn about, and this is when you need to start paying attention, okay? So number 3 is a hair mask. And with this hair mask, it's also called a hair perfector, and number 2 is called a bond perfector, okay? So very similar. So when I started using Olaplex, back in the day, I didn't really use any type of professional products. I kind of just used, you know, the drugstore products. So I wasn't aware that I had to use a hair mask for my hair. Like, you never think about these things, right? They don't really educate about it. And I'll go ahead and read what it says right here in the back. So it does say use once a week. For damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times a week. And that is true, because when I started using the mask for my hair, I was using it twice a week because my hair was like so dry and like overly processed with bleach and all of that, and I put heat on my hair like every day. Right now, because of quarantine, I've let my hair rest a little bit, and that's something I recommend that you guys do. Give your hair a break. Right now we don't need to style it. So yeah, so no, you can use it once a week, but if you feel like your hair is pretty damaged, go ahead and use it 2 to 3 times a week, and then after a while your hair will eventually get healthier, and then you can cut it less and just do it once a week. and that's exactly what I did. I remember I want to say maybe the first 2 months I did it twice a week, and then after that I cut it to just once a week. So that's number 3. I recommend this a lot, guys. It's really concentrated. So I always tell my clients when I sell this to them, I'm like, okay, you're gonna apply this, but don't get too excited. Sometimes we like, you know, we get a new product and we're like, woo! No, it's super concentrated, so you're not gonna need a lot. It really just lathers really beautiful. So this is really good. I recommend it. This is the number 3. Now, número 4 and 5. So number 4 and number 5. Let's talk about number 4. Number 4 is really just your shampoo. Do I recommend that you have this? Yes, I recommend that you have the full line. Like that, you can see a change in your hair. Because if you're just gonna, you know, just do the mask and still use your Head and Shoulders shampoo and that's it, No, girl. This is why I have to educate you guys on what are some of the best products for your hair. So with Olaplex number 4, this is your daily shampoo. There's not really much I can talk about it. Again, it does everything the whole system does. So number 4 is your everyday shampoo. Number 5 is your conditioner, your everyday conditioner. It does say to apply it and then after 3 to 5 minutes rinse it off. You can go ahead and do that. I do like to rinse it off. If not, I feel like when my hair does get it dries out, it can be a little bit too heavy sometimes, so I like to rinse it off, but not like completely. You can put it on, and also make sure that when you are applying this stuff in the shower, your mask or your conditioner, you do have to have a wide tooth comb. Yeah, a wide tooth comb, like that you can distribute the product evenly throughout your hair. And now, do I suggest that you wash your hair every day? Nope, I don't. I always tell people, go the longest you can. And also, if you are not familiar with dry shampoo, or if you have used dry shampoo in the past and you weren't a fan of it, this is a little advice. We'll talk about Olaplex right now, hold on, but I'm gonna just give you a quick little tip. When you apply dry shampoo, and I suggest that you apply dry shampoo and use dry shampoo because it actually does work. So what I like to do is I like to apply it at night. So I apply it right here on my hairline, I lift this up, I apply, and I rub it a little bit, and guess what, I go to sleep like that with my hair over here all white. And when you wake up, it literally, all the oils in the hair gone. You don't even see any type of white stuff up there. No. What I used to do in the past, and what a lot of people tend to do, is that they apply it as they're getting ready in the morning, then they brush their hair, and it's like you're applying it, but then you're like brushing it off, you know, so it's not gonna do its job. So trust me, apply dry shampoo at night and try to wash your hair less. When I was still working at the salon, and I also wasn't working out at that time, I washed my hair once a week, or like 6 days. And yeah, and people didn't notice, people didn't know. And I would tell them, I would be like, hey, I don't wash my hair that often. I washed it last week and it still looks good, right? And they're like, oh my gosh, I can't even tell. But I have told some of my clients to do that, and then they came back and saw me and they said, oh my god, Siri, thank you for that tip. So try it, okay? So moving forward, I'm so bad, guys, sorry. Okay, now moving forward, so we talked about number 3, our hair mask, number 4, shampoo, number 5, our conditioner, number 6. This one right here. I love number 6. Number 6 is one of my favorite ones. Number 3 and 6, I'm still getting, like, I just started using the number 7 not too long ago, and it's good. It's not too heavy. It doesn't leave your hair, like, you know when you apply hair oil and it looks like you apply hair oil? Yeah, not this one, not Olaplex, because this is the good, okay? So let's talk about number 6. Number 6 is the leave-in. So after you get out the shower, girl, you know, you're getting over here ready and everything, you apply this on damp hair and you comb it through and you leave it, because this is the leave-in and this is number 6. And it's the best thing ever. So let's see, back here it says reduces frizz and flyaways up to 72 hours, speeds up blow dry time while smoothing, okay, straightens, nourishes, and moisturizes. I like that. Apply mid shaft, and when I'm talking about mid shaft, I'm talking about this and down. These products are very concentrated, so you don't want to put them up here, and I feel like it goes like that with any type of product and any type of conditioner or leave-in conditioner. I don't want to apply it up here, because no matter what, we create those natural oils, and no matter what, our scalp is gonna get oily. So no, just mid-shaft and down. And when you are applying, make sure that you apply it and you're brushing it. And always really important, and something I always tell my clients, is that here you have to keep in mind that we have a face frame, meaning we do have some layering here. That these pieces are obviously shorter than these pieces, so a lot of people tend to go like this, right? We tend to go like this, we tend to go, and look what I'm doing, we tend to go like this. But what about all this? I didn't put any product on there. So what you want to do is, apply it right here. And if you want to get a little bit closer up here, that's fine. Why? Because no matter what, anything around the hairline, they're very delicate. So, and also the sun is always hitting us right here, so they're very fragile. We want to make sure that we apply the product on these face framing pieces, just because also, like, I know what I'm about to say is true. Sometimes, when we get ready and then we finish doing our makeup and we put on our outfit, and then we're like, okay, let me touch up a little bit. We tend to touch up these pieces, these ones, and we tend to constantly straighten them or put the curler again on there. So it's just, you're creating a lot of damage. And like I said, make sure that you're taking care of this and this, okay? So that's number 6. You need number 6. I love Olaplex. If you guys wanna like send me some product, let's work some business. All right guys, so number 7 is a very weightless oil. I like that when you apply it, it just doesn't, it doesn't give you that oily look, which I really like. It is paraben free, it is UV protectant, it does protect 450 degrees of heat. It's providing everything you need in an oil. I mean, sometimes we don't think about it like UV protectant. Really? UV protectant for the hair? Yes, you guys need to start taking care of your hair. I think it's really important to come here on YouTube and really just let you guys know that just because it's hair, it has life, and it needs to be taken care of, and it needs to be pampered, and it needs to be loved, and all of that. Just like how we take care of our health, just like how we take care of our face. We use face masks, we use moisturizers, right? And then we use a scrub, and we use all these cleaning stuff for our face, and we need to do that with our hair too. But yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. All right guys, another quick little brief of today's video. Number 3, your hair mask. You leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. You can sleep with it if you want and rinse it off the next day. Number 4, your everyday shampoo. Number 5, your conditioner. Number 6 is your leave-in conditioner, and number 7 is your oil. So yes guys, I hope that you guys really learned something today. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing these items, you guys can always message me on Instagram. It's gonna be the same name as my YouTube name, which is @Ziri_beauty_edit. So you guys can always hit me up on there. You guys can hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. If you are one of my clients and you are watching this video and you have any questions about Olaplex, please feel free to reach out to me. Sorry, I almost got stuck. But yeah, anyways guys, I am gonna head out. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you guys learned something today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know down below. Make sure that you guys like and share and subscribe. If you guys want to see a video of my favorite drugstore products, I unfortunately don't use them anymore, but I used to use them and I think they're pretty good. So if you guys want to know about those products, go ahead and let me know. Anyways guys, I'm gonna head out, so I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, and share, and also subscribe. Thank you.